So this is a concern I'm sure some of you all have had. I saw this on another episode video that somebody had posted, and I really appreciate that. I'll put a link to that one as well. Just thought maybe we could take a chance, throw another video together and help this out for those who are looking for this solution. And what it is you've got your 3-inch, 3-inch connection for your black water over here. You got an 1.5-inch connection for your gray water on this side. But what the problem was is draining them both at the same time. I actually had recently in a campground where it was late in the evening and all of a sudden my gray water started backing up into the shower area because we had drained so much, not realizing it, and had not drained it out, and then it started just to back up a little bit, and it's late. It's like 9:30, 10 o'clock, and I had to come outside, unhook this one so I could help flush this one back out. So I've come up with a solution. Well, I didn't come up with a solution. I watched a solution, and now I'm going to show you all as well, and then what additional steps we took to just try to make it a little bit better. So these are the parts that I ordered. Got a lot of good information, as I mentioned, from Jarvis Outdoors. He had done a lot of research on the same issue that we were having regarding these two, our black water and our gray water connections not being, tied to one output area. So with that, he had shown, like I said, a lot of good stuff. This product here, this is the one I got at Home Depot. They sell this. It's $1.50. It's a 1.5-inch street spigot, and it's a female adapter part of it. So this will connect basically into this other piece here. So it actually, it slides in this other piece. Nibco got this off of Amazon. This is the reducing bushing. It's $8. It's a 3-inch down to a 1.5-inch reducer. And so that other connection, the female adapter, as you can see, will go inside here. I don't want to push it all the way in. I did it earlier and I had to get a pair of pliers to get it back out. So we'll put it in there, and then that's the part that will screw onto the other one. And then, the Valterra, the 3-inch Valterra bayonet hub, then slides over this here, screws on. Now we have our connection for our 3-inch hose. That, by the way, as I mentioned, this is $7 piece. This was an $8 piece, $1.50. And then bought a sewer cap for $3. And it works just fine. We'll replace the other cap that you saw in the earlier part of the video. Okay, so here's the same pieces I had earlier. Slide on this adapter, screw it on, and then take this reducer, you're going to put that on there, and this one will slide on as well. Okay, just wanted to show you guys what it looks like kind of when it's hooked up together. Also, wanted to tell you a little bit about the hose kit I bought. I bought the Rhino Extreme 20-foot hose kit that comes with two 10-foot hoses. Also comes with the Y adapter, the clear connector, so you can see. Also, it's got all the caps that comes along with it for the hoses. This product is really good. Everything here, it swivels. Like all these connections, they swivel. These actually swivel on this connection. You see that moving around there. So once you get it connected, because I've had the older hose, doesn't swivel like that, and actually can put a kink in the hose, makes it a little bit tougher. So this is a really good product, I've noticed, and this will be the connection now for our new sewer hookup. So good deal. I'll show you later on once we actually use it. The only item which I'm going to do now is, if you notice, this one sticks out a little further than the rest of my items. So I got to look underneath the camper. Let's see here if we can see it. And I noticed there's a connection It's back here, underneath here. Let me see if I can get this thing. Bloop. Yeah, this connection right here, I'm going to take part of this apart and I'm going to move it back. And I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so here we go. Completely installed. Everything's moved back. Looks good. Tightened down. I had to redo a few of the connections there underneath the trailer, the strapping, move it back a little bit, but all in all, much better with it moved back. I like this much cleaner look, like it was supposed to be this way. So appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and hopefully it helps you out in the future. Thanks.